Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Kawasaki Z900 with ABS brakes. Inline 4-cylinder, naked sport bike, fuel injected, liquid cooled, gorgeous metallic silver and blue paint scheme, only 2,475 miles. I love the blue wheels on this one. This bike also comes with a rear top case and back luggage rack. Come on by, make your Z900 dreams come true for just $79.99. This bike will not be here long. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. Any given time, we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. So we got frame sliders. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.